Hi everyone, I hope all of you are doing good. Welcome back to my live 420 sessions. I hope you enjoyed yesterday's seed session. And if you can hear me, give a thumbs up. I always have some technical glitch. So if you saw my seed session, it was very short again. But good. We covered that, and I just want to. I forgot actually yesterday that I was supposed to cover some dosage, which I missed. So as other people are joining in, I'll just finish that so that once I post it on IGTV, you can guys know about that. So. Guys, dosage primarily suggested for hemp seed oil is 1 tablespoon per day, and like hemp seeds, you can take 2 or 3 tablespoons per day. That's the standard dosage from food departments and all. So yeah, guys, today I did. Actually, I was supposed to do a session on herds, which I said, but one of the guys just commented on my post on asking on some Uttarakhand policy, some question. And I thought it's actually never came in my mind. Yeah, actually, it's a very good topic to talk about, and I should have covered this prior to all my videos. But it's good, like अब cover कर लेते हैं उसको, क्योंकि the question was, I think the guy's name was Abhinav, if I'm not wrong. If he's there, just send me a wave, man. So he asked, how is the Uttarakhand policy, and do you think that should be replicated around all the states? So that was my question, which I posted on my story to ask you guys. So what do you think about that? So is it good or bad? So whooping, whooping response, like 90, almost 98% people said yes, and I think 6 or 7 said no to it. And I just want like to just an interaction as an interaction. So whosoever said yes, just keep raising your hands on that, and so that I know you guys are also have joined me over here. And by the time everybody is joining, if somebody said yes, just say raise, and if there's a guy who said no, just give me a no before I start. So is Abhinav there? I don't know. Is Abhinav there? And I don't think so. Abhinav is there. Okay. Anyways, so guys. So 98% people said yes. Now everybody is also raising hand. The answer is it's worst. It's bad. Okay. I will tell you how. It's a bad policy. And so whosoever is doing this and has raised hands, so you no, now I won't take no's now. Yeah, you missed the chance. So whosoever has said yes, it's a good policy. No, it's a very bad policy. And why it is a bad policy, let's talk about that. So it's first policy, and my topic would be today is first is always the worst. Remember that. First is the worst. Now, why? Because obviously, when the first thing happens, you have to make it, better and better, and then it becomes a good product or a good thing, But the firsts are always the worst thing. So why the policy is bad. So I'll show you some examples why. So let's go first. Like I always say, I'll talk about a little bit history and then present and what we are gonna do about. So what happened in the Congress government? The policy was drafted. I posted some pictures of that meeting. Jab Mr. Shatrughan Sinha was the chief secretary, and we were asked to submit some existing policies around the world and around hemp. Which policy you want to submit? Now that was a challenge because there are two. US was not legal at that time, so there was two policies we had from the government department. One was the Canadian policy, and one was European policy. Now already we had a challenge because of the central government section 8, which says 0.3. The European policy we took on the side because European hemp policy says 0.2, not even 0.3. the only policy which was closest, like we thought, okay, threshold of this THC should be 0.3 was Canadian policy. So हमने वो कैनेडियन पॉलिसी को लिया और चीफ सेक्रेटरी को हमने रखा विद वंस वी आंसर्ड ऑल द क्वेश्चंस के उनके जो टेक्निकल थे ये कैसे होगा उसमें नहीं जाते, वो मैं पहले कवर कर गया हूँ. तो वो उसके बाद हमने वो पॉलिसी कैनेडियन पॉलिसी उनको दे दी. अब वो कांग्रेस गवर्नमेंट थी, उनको दे दी, उनको बहुत अच्छा लगा प्रोजेक्ट, उन्होंने कैबिनेट में डाल दिया. और वो इजी वे आउट होता है गवर्नमेंट का कि कुछ चीज़ मिल जाती है तो उसे कॉपी पेस्ट कर देते हैं. So they took that policy, copy pasted it in the same manner how Canadian policy is. So if you go to the Canadian policy and you see the Uttarakhand policies goes hand in hand, but Uttarakhand went little way ahead. Like they did थोड़ा सा और एक उन्होंने जंप लेके और भी इंटरेस्टिंग बना दिया उस पॉलिसी का, वो हम बात करते हैं. So what happened is once the policy was passed, the government went, the Congress government went and the BJP government came in. फिर उसके बाद में हमें दोबारा बुलाया गया 2017 में. उससे पहले 2017 में बहुत सारे और लोग भी जा रहे थे लाइसेंस वगैरह के लिए, बट देयर वाज नथिंग, नोबडी वाज एबल टू क्रैक दैट थिंग. व्हाट देयर वाज सम इश्यूज कि लाइक कांग्रेस मेड अ पॉलिसी, now another government has come which has no clue what happened on those meetings. The chief secretary got retired, उनको पता ही नहीं है हुआ क्या, पॉलिसी बनी रखी है, अब इसको एक्टिवेट करना है उन्होंने, बिकॉज उनको अच्छा लगा प्रोजेक्ट के फार्मर्स बेनिफिट के लिए है, और हमने जो रखा था कि घोस्ट टाउन्स को भी विल डेवलप एंड विल हेल्प दिस, तो उनको वो बहुत अच्छा लगा, तो उन्होंने कहा कि हम भी करते हैं, लेट्स डू इट. तो बहुत सारे लोगों को बुलाया गया, बट वी वर नॉट द वंस, लाइक वी दे मिस्ड अस आउट, और आई डोंट नो हमारे पास नहीं आए थे वो उस टाइम में. बहुत सारे और लोग गए, वो बहुत ट्राई किया सबने, वहाँ कुछ भी नहीं हुआ, नथिंग हैपेंड. द पॉइंट इज लाइक पॉलिसी हमने दी थी, हमें पता था उसके अंदर करना क्या है, तो हमने उस हिसाब से उनको दी थी. अब नाउ somehow in 2000 winters, I'll say, like it's around it was September, November, then one of the chief minister's advisors got in touch with us, and he said like, we got your brochures in the files, and I think you guys got this policy pushed and all. I said yeah, we did it, but nothing happened. This was the policy made, but the government changed, so हमने कुछ किया नहीं. So they called us, ऐसे आप आ जाइए, अब let's talk about it, because हमें ये करना है, we want to do it. Now the government, the political party wants to do it. Now the bureaucrats are a different issue. Like bureaucrats who makes these things, you know, they write, they stamp, and they say like, okay, it's improved. Government आती जाती रहती है, bureaucrats वहीं रहते हैं, इसका ध्यान रखिएगा. तो अब what happened? We were called, and we went over there. We showed it to the chief minister. She was like, it's wonderful, like thing. Where were you guys? We were looking for you, and आप इसको करें. तो हम गए, हम जब दोबारा गवर्नमेंट के पास गए, ब्यूरोक्रेट्स के पास, दे हैड अ नेगेटिव एटीट्यूड एज यूजुअल. फिर उनका नेगेटिव एटीट्यूड था, चलो पॉलिसी सब ठीक है बॉस, बहुत लोग आए हैं, बट हम इसको करें, हाउ शुड वी डू इट, व्हाट शुड वी डू. So I gave them a solution, and why I said first is the worst, you will come to know now. When I told them, you know what you should do, you should make new, like a pilot project, and in that pilot project introduce a narcotic law in which we will be binded with a contract with the government, like if what we are saying will not happen, you can follow the narcotic law and do a case against us or put us behind the bars. So guys, actually they did that. So on the first license, so I'll show you, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हुई थी उसके बीच में, वो नहीं जाते लंबा. तो ये जो लाइसेंस है, just see if you can, I don't know, ये उल्टा दिख रहा होगा, if you can see 01, and this was the first license, and the date I'll show you very closely. If you see this 13/6/2018, ये उल्टा है, but like you can see, if you can see, just do the thumbs up, it's messed up, it's 13/06/2018 को ये हमें लाइसेंस दिया. अब ये लाइसेंस में जो अब आप लोगों को मिल रहा है, हमने उसमें क्या क्या चेंजेस करवाए वो बताता हूँ. इसके अंदर इन्होंने, गवर्नमेंट ने, दे स्टार्टेड पुटिंग ऑल दीज कंडीशंस टू अस. सो आई नो यू कैंट सी इट, बट आई विल रीड इट टू यू. इन्होंने 2 कंडीशंस 19 और 20 एक्स्ट्रा ऐड करी हमारे लिए कि वी टुक पुट आस्क देम टू पुट अ एक्स ऑन आवर नेक कि हम हमारे को जेल में डाल दो अगर वी आर नॉट सक्सेसफुल, एंड वी वर कॉन्फिडेंट व्हाई जस्ट बिकॉज इट वी वर वर्किंग फ्रॉम 8 years and we had an expertise of genetic guys and a lot of other people on board from past who are working from past 30 years. You must have seen my Spain videos and all those things. So इसमें इन्होंने क्या डाला जो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हमसे करवाया, हिंदी में है, नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो देहरादून को प्रोषित पत्र के कर्म में प्राप्त होने वाले अनुमोदन के अधीन शर्तों के अंतर्गत यह अनुज्ञापन दिया जाएगा. व्हाट डज दैट मीन? इसका मतलब है कि अगर नारकोटिक्स देहरादून के ब्यूरो से जो हमने कॉन्ट्रैक्ट किया है, जो हमने लिख के दिया है, उसके अधीन ये, उसके अगेंस्ट ये हमारे को लाइसेंस दे रहे हैं, अगर उसमें हमारे जो शर्त हैं जिसमें 0.3 और बोल रहे हैं और 0.3 से अगर 0.4 भी हो गया तो नारकोटिक लॉ के अगेंस्ट को उसको एक्टिव हो जाएगा और उसके अगेंस्ट हमें marijuana के अगेंस्ट हमारे को जेल में डाल दिया जाएगा. इसका मतलब ये है. तो लास्ट में उन्होंने एक और लिखा, इस कार्यकाल द्वारा प्रेषित पत्र नारकोटिक्स कमिश्नर ऑफ इंडिया ग्वालियर व नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो देहरादून को अनुज्ञापन के संबंध में पत्रांक संख्या 328-329 दिनांक 2/6/18 के कर्म में अनुज्ञापन प्राप्त दिशा निर्देशों के अधीन होगा. सो इन्होंने देहरादून नारकोटिक्स को भी इन्वॉल्व किया और ग्वालियर नारकोटिक्स को भी डाला कि ये जो पायलट प्रोजेक्ट होगा इसके अगेंस्ट हम इनको एक्शन लेंगे. मतलब लाइक अगर आपका 0.3 से ऊपर जो आ गया तो हम नारकोटिक्स में इसका केस डाल देंगे आपका. सो गाइज, ये फर्स्ट इनका पॉलिसी इन्होंने ऐसा बनाया. कमिंग बैक टू, फिर हमने लाइक वी वर्क हार्ड, वी न्यू हाउ टू डू थिंग्स एंड ऑल पहले से ही, और बहुत ही लाइक वी वर ऑन द फुट. वी बर्न लॉट ऑफ मनी, लिटरली बर्न लॉट ऑफ मनी. लाइक एवरी स्टेप वी वर डूइंग टेस्टिंग. यू मस्ट हैव सीन द स्पेन वीडियो, इट्स अ वेरी स्मॉल वीडियो कि ये छोटा सा वीडियो मैंने बनाया था कि वो उसके अंदर हम रोज टेस्ट करते थे. मतलब हर 15-20 दिन में हम टेस्ट करते थे. हमारी यही फटी रहती थी कि भैया आज नहीं तो कल जेल में डाल देंगे. अब ये चीफ मिनिस्टर ने तो बड़े उससे हमारे को फर्स्ट लाइसेंस दिया और ये न्यूज़ में बहुत एक्सप्लोड हो गया और हम भी नहीं रोक पाए. बट माई टीम वॉज लाफिंग, वी ऑल वर लाफिंग एट दैट टाइम कि यार ये फर्स्ट लाइसेंस तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, बहुत अच्छा हिस्ट्री क्रिएट कर दिया है, बट हम जरूर अगर कोई फेल हो गए तो फर्स्ट जेल जाने वाले भी इस फर्स्ट लाइसेंस को होंगे और ये पॉलिसी भी फेल हो जाएगी. इन्होंने ये भी डाला था कि ये पॉलिसी को कैंसिल कर देंगे कि अगर ये पायलट प्रोजेक्ट फेल हो गया. मतलब अगर ये पायलट प्रोजेक्ट फेल हो जाता सो वो मतलब एक स्टेट भी नहीं था हमारे पास में, वो लाइसेंस ही मतलब जब्त हो जाता, सारा कुछ ही बंद था वो पायलट प्रोजेक्ट के बाद में. So good news came to us in 2012 when we submitted our test after doing our own test, and then we submitted the samples CAP se. So this was the results, and I don't know if you can see, I'll try to show it close. It's 0.28. So this came and 0.28 came. I just got saved from 1%, not even 0.2%. I was saved. So guys, yes, so बहुत लोग first बोलते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑर्कुट था बट वो गुड नहीं था. बेस्ट बनो और डोंट गो फॉर द फर्स्ट. एंड व्हेनेवर यू सी द फर्स्ट थिंग जस्ट बी अवेयर ऑफ इट, क्योंकि ये फर्स्ट वर्स्ट होगा तो आप उससे सीख लो. मेक इट मच बेटर प्रोडक्ट्स एंड मेक बेटर वर्क विट वी हैव डन, लर्न फ्रॉम आवर मिस्टेक्स. आई एम हियर टू टॉक अबाउट मिस्टेक्स, नॉट टॉक अबाउट कि हमने क्या अचीव किया है. बिकॉज यार आज हमने अपना नेक रख के काम करके शुरू तो कर दिया, बट ये जरूरी नहीं है कि हम बेस्ट हों. बेस्ट होने के लिए यू हैव टू वर्क अ लॉट, यू हैव टू वर्क पेशेंटली. क्योंकि ऑर्कुट आया था पहले, फेसबुक आ गया, ईबे आया था पहले, फिर अमेजोन आ गया. फर्स्ट को कोई याद नहीं रखता, बेस्ट को याद रखता है. सो बी योर बेस्ट. दैट्स माई व्हाट आई वांट टू गिव यू दिस एडवाइस टुडे. और बेस्ट क्यों नहीं है ये पॉलिसी, मैं आज आपको बताता हूँ. ये मैंने 5 बार पॉलिसी में चेंजेस करवाए हैं. जैसे ही हम ये वॉर जीते, दैट्स एज सुन एज वी वन दिस वॉर, सबसे पहले तो ये 2 पॉइंट हटवाए कि नारकोटिक का केस नहीं होगा और नारकोटिक का वो नहीं होगा। दूसरा, हमने इनके नोडल एजेंसी नहीं थी इस पॉलिसी में, देयर वाज नो नोडल एजेंसी के लाइक इसको मॉनिटर कौन करेगा, हु विल मॉनिटर दिस होल सिस्टम। So we fought for it and then we got agriculture as a nodal agency because excise ही सब कुछ कर रहा था। भाई excise के पास में knowledge कैसे आएगी agriculture की? But beggars can't be choosers, so हमारे पास option नहीं थी, तो जो भी दे रहे थे उस टाइम में ले लिया। कम से कम हमारे को दिखाने को तो होगा ना आगे कि एक पॉलिसी हो गई है, उसको करेक्ट करेंगे बाद में। So हमने फिर एग्रीकल्चर को नोडल एजेंसी बनवाया, फिर एग्रीकल्चर ने पास ऑन कैप को कर दिया सेंट्रल एरोमेटिक प्लांट वालों को नोडल एजेंसी बना दिया। अब हम फाइट कर रहे हैं टू गेट द फ्लावर्स एंड द लीव्स ऑल्सो इन शुड बी इंक्लूडेड इन दैट। सो वी आर गोइंग स्टेप बाय स्टेप। सो यू टॉक अबाउट फर्स्ट, हमारी तो वर्स्ट ही सिचुएशन हुई है। हम तो अभी जो लोग आगे आएंगे वो बेस्ट करेंगे इससे, हम तो वर्स्ट सिनेरियो में सर्वर किया और वर्स्ट बने। So that was our experience with the Uttarakhand policy. So I was invited on Madhya Pradesh legalization of that thing. वो भी कांग्रेस थी और अब बीजेपी आ गई, लेट्स सी क्या होता है। तो हमने उसकी पॉलिसी बनाई, उसमें अब जो भी नई स्टेट की पॉलिसी होती है इसके बैड एग्जाम्पल्स लेके हमारे को नए स्टेट्स में नई पॉलिसी बनाएंगे। इसको फॉलो नहीं करते हैं क्योंकि हम जब भी अब सबमिट करते हैं तो उसमें उसके पेन पॉइंट्स का डेटा होता है हमारे पास में, ये इसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या आई थी उस गवर्नमेंट को। तो जब हम वो गवर्नमेंट डेटाज व्हेन वी शो टू द to the people, to the government officers, so they take it very seriously कि अच्छा ठीक है, we should make it better policy rather than making a policy which is hindering that work in that state, because our state wants to make it a better thing. Guys, the thing is like that answer of the question which was given, like is it a good policy or a bad policy, as the first policy is not a good policy, is a bad policy. एक और चीज मैं I will go on to talk to you. There was another thing which a lot of people were trying to do at this time, and they didn't had a clue and I didn't had time to explain everybody. They wanted to increase the threshold of 0.3 to 1% to 2%, and बहुत दिनों तक वो लोग उसमें लगे रहे क्योंकि उनका कुछ सीट का इशू होगा। बट द पॉइंट वाज के एक जुडिरेक्शन स्टेट की जो होती है और वो फॉलो करती है एक सेंटर की जुडिरेक्शन पे, जो जुडिरेक्शन सेंटर की पॉलिसी है उसको एक स्टेट फॉलो करती है। जब सेंटर ने 0.3 दे रखा है तो स्टेट उसको चेंज नहीं कर सकती, उसे सेंटर को पहले चेंज करना पड़ेगा और फिर उसको स्टेट फॉलो करेगी। और मेरा आइडिया ये था कि 0.1 की क्यों बात कर रहे हैं, लाइक लेट्स टॉक अबाउट पूरा प्लांट ही क्यों नहीं फ्री करवाओ। why भी अगर आप लोग if you are talking about increasing 0.3 to 1, what is the benefit? What is the benefit? Like one is you can't do 0.3 first of all. Second, आप 0.1 की बात कर रहे हो, आप सीधा ही अगर आपको बात करनी है तो सीधा ही कैनबिस के पूरे लीगलाइजेशन की बात कर लो ना यार। लेट्स डू दैट। तो मैं आई वॉज ऑलवेज अगेंस्ट दैट, और मेरे से कई बार बहुत RTI लगाई और बहुत बार मेरे से गवर्नमेंट ने भी पूछा कि पीपल आर आस्किंग रोहित हाउ शुड वी डू 0.3 की जगह इसको 1 कैसे कर सकते हैं। मैं कहा सर पॉसिबल नहीं है। आई यूज टू टेल द गवर्नमेंट बिकॉज सेंटर हैज टू डू इट, और सेंटर ने जब एक हेम्प की पॉलिसी बनाई है विच इज एन इंडस्ट्रियल क्रॉप, अभी तो वही ठीक नहीं हो रही, और आप एक और उसमें एंगल ले आओ 1% का, तो इट्स नॉट अ राइट मूव। इफ यू वांट टू डू इट, आप मेडिकल चाहे कैनबिस को लीगलाइजेशन करो और उसमें THC थ्रेशोल्ड ही मत डालो फिर। दैट शुड बी द राइट वे। यू शुड नॉट स्टार्ट के 0.3 को आप चेंज करके 1 कर दो यार। गवर्नमेंट से ऐसी जब आप एक एग्जाम्पल सेट हो गया ना, तो फिर दूसरी चीज बड़ी मांगो, उससे छोटी मत मांगो। आपको वो छोटी देके खुश करवा देंगे, देन दे विल नॉट डू एनीथिंग फॉर यू। So that's the highest discrepancy between lot of other people who are working and how we work, because I always put my foot down कि अगर गवर्नमेंट भी मुझे कहेगी कि आपको हम सर कैनबिस का लाइसेंस नहीं देते, हम ऐसा करते हैं हेम्प का आपको 1% लाइसेंस देते हैं, उसको जेब में रख लो यार, उसकी जरूरत नहीं है, वी डोंट नीड दैट। उसको इससे बेटर है कि वी कैन वर्क ऑन अ हेम्प पॉलिसी एंड ऑन द इंडस्ट्रियल पार्ट, एंड देन वी वर्क ऑन द प्रॉपर कैनबिस पॉलिसी जिसमें थ्रेशोल्ड नहीं होना चाहिए फिर THC का। यू आर नाउ that's the way, and that's what we work on. That's how we work. Or I think all the states we should work like that. अगर वो hemp की देते हैं, hemp should be a better policy, and should have a threshold. Or if it is a 0.3 also, the whole plant should be utilized. It should not be like उन्होंने पहले बोल दिया छाल ले लो और सिर्फ आप बीज यूज कर सकते हो. तो एक मेरी मीटिंग हुई थी, चीफ सेक्रेटरी भी थे, सीएम भी थे, लॉट ऑफ पीपल वर देयर. सो आई वाज सिटिंग क्वाइट एंड होल मिनिस्टर कैबिनेट्स एंड एक्साइज एवरीथिंग वाज अगेंस्ट के नहीं नहीं फ्लावर कैसे कर देंगे, पत्तियां कैसे कर देंगे. एंड दिस इज द टाइम व्हेन लॉट ऑफ लाइसेंस वर ऑलरेडी रोलिंग, फार्मर्स को हम दे चुके थे. और इस पर बहुत डिस्कशन हो रही थी कि ये हमारे को, हम फ्लावर की और लीफ की परमिशन नहीं दे सकते हैं. सो इन द एंड मेरे से कमेंट मांगे गया एज यूजुअल इंडस्ट्री ने कि भाई सरकार ने पूछा कि व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से रोहित, आप बताइए ये फ्लावर और लीफ का क्या सोल्यूशन करें. और चीफ सेक्रेटरी साइड के सर ये तो उत्पल जी थे उस टाइम में, मिस्टर उत्पल वाज देयर, ही इज जस्ट रिटायर्ड. तो ही सेड लाइक रोहित आप बताएं कैसे कर सकते हैं, ये प्रॉब्लम है, ये तो हम नहीं कर सकते हैं. मैंने कहा सर आप नहीं कर सकते हो बट वो तो न्यूसेंस वैल्यू बन जाएगी. ऐसे कैसे सर, आप अगर आप हेम्प की लाइसेंस दे रहे हो और आप फूल और पत्तियों को कह रहे हो लोगों को हटा लो, तो टनों के भाव पे जो फूल और पत्तियां जमा होंगी वो लोग क्या करेंगे. एंड हाउ इज योर डिपार्टमेंट एफिशिएंट इनफ टू मैनेज दैट के वो डिस्ट्रॉय होगा, और अगर आप डिस्ट्रॉय करोगे तो कैसे करोगे ये बता दो. सो द आंसर वॉज फ्रॉम द एक्साइज डिपार्टमेंट दैट विल बर्न इट. So I said, you will burn it. I said, yeah, if you will burn it, National Tribunal Act के अंदर जो आपके यहाँ पर जो जला के pollution करोगे, उसका जवाब आप कैसे दोगे फिर? Then everybody was quiet. So yeah, the point is, if you know the laws, you can discuss with the government on technical basis. Lot of government people also don't know that. अगर आप जला रहे हो तो आप पोल्यूशन कर रहे हो. और वैसे ही दीज गाइज आर एनी विच वेज कम्स इन एन एनबीडी एक्ट, लाइक वहां पर पोल्यूशन नहीं कर सकते, वहां सीमेंट की फैक्ट्री नहीं लगा सकते हो आप, ये नहीं कर, तो आप पहाड़ों पे जाके अब गांजा या जो भी जलाओगे उससे पोल्यूशन नहीं हो रहा. अगर पोल्यूशन होगा तो अगर सरकार के खिलाफ मैं ही केस कर दूं कि आपने पोल्यूशन किया है, तो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट सेंटर को कैसे जवाब देगी. सो दैट्स हाउ यू शुड नो कि आपसे जब गवर्नमेंट बात करे तो, और गवर्नमेंट आपसे जब पूछे तो आपको उनको जवाब क्या देना चाहिए और वो लीगलाइज कैसे होगा. तो दैट वाज द पॉइंट दैट टुक वेरी सीरियसली कि भाई ये न्यूसेंस वैल्यू क्रिएट हो जाएगी. जब इतने सारे लोग उगाएंगे तो हम उन फूल पत्तियों को जला नहीं सकते, डिस्ट्रॉय नहीं कर सकते. सो व्हाट वी शुड डू, सो दैट्स हाउ दे टुक दिस प्रोविजन के नहीं हम इसके लिए अब काम करते हैं. वी शुड वर्क टू गेट द लीव्स एंड द फ्लावर्स ऑल्सो इन द पॉलिसी. सो दैट वॉज द फिफ्थ चेंज विच इज अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन राइट नाउ. फिर उसके बाद में बात आई कि यार रोहित अब तो बहुत सारे लोग दे आर कमिंग अप फॉर द मेडिकल लाइसेंस, हम देना चाहते हैं, बिकॉज अब नाउ आफ्टर 4 years दे हैव टेस्टेड द ब्लड एंड दे सॉ लॉट ऑफ मनी कमिंग इन द स्टेट. एंड ऑब्वियसली जो हम बोल रहे थे दैट हैपेंड, द होल इंडस्ट्री स्टार्टेड फ्लॉकिंग इन फ्रॉम इंटरनेशनल टू नेशनल, एवरीबडी, उत्तराखंड वॉज लाइमलाइट ऑफ द होल कंट्री. सो अब उनका अपने आप प्रॉब्लम बन गया कि भाई हमें तो मेडिकल लाइसेंस भी देना पड़ेगा, मेडिकल लाइसेंस कैसे दें. सो आई वॉज कॉल्ड अगेन कि यार मेडिकल लाइसेंस कैसे दे सकते हैं. मैंने कहा मेडिकल लाइसेंस इज वेरी इजी, लाइक सेक्शन 10 यू कैन गिव इजीली मेडिकल लाइसेंसेज, व्हाई डोंट यू मेक अ पॉलिसी अराउंड इट. सो दैट वी हैड अ मीटिंग विद द चीफ सेक्रेटरी अगेन. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस 2020 only. And I was there, and then Utpal ji was chief secretary at that time, and then excise commissioner was there, cap person was there, and the proposal was submitted to the government that we should start the cannabis medical policy also along with that. Now एक अभी केस आया था मेरे पास में, केस क्या आया था, देयर वाज अगेन फर्स्ट कमेंट्स वर गोइंग ऑन यूट्यूब दैट दे गॉट द फर्स्ट कैनबिस मेडिकल लाइसेंस एंड ऑल. तो वो एक्चुअली वो क्या था, वो एक रिसर्च लाइसेंस था जिसको एक मेडिकल लाइसेंस कमर्शियल का बोल के दे वर डूइंग प्रोपोगेंडा. एंड दैट्स बट गुड थिंग अबाउट दैट वाज दैट होल कैनबिस मेडिकल थिंग स्टार्टेड इवॉल्विंग अराउंड इट. So medical research मैं already cover कर चुका हूँ. I was telling you how the policy are made, how the first is the worst thing to do. Never copy a first. Whoever says first, they are the worst. So just see first and don't do that. See us, what we did, never do that, because we first will always make mistakes, and the best you will make, what will come now will be the best things. So yeah guys, that was it. It was a bad decision. we burned a lot of money in these pilot projects and all, and we were lucky that we had support that from our international partners and national partners who funded us for this kind of a project. But I'll tell you the even expenses. Like we burned around 15 crore rupees in that pilot project. Like 15 crores, man. 15 crores. People are looking for fundings, you know. But somebody has to put and burn something to start something in India. We burned that money just to realize that if we are the market makers, if we start something now, अगर हम आज कुछ शुरू करते हैं और लोगों का भी बिलीव था कि अगर हम लोग ये शुरू करते हैं तो जो हमारे साथ जुड़े थे उनका भी बिलीव था कि अगर ये शुरू करेंगे तो देर इज मोर मनी कैन कम इन. So I posted a video, go and see that the kind of land we got. The first land they gave us in 50 acres full of boulders. 50 साल बॉस वहाँ कुछ उगा नहीं था. 50 ईयर्स से वहाँ कुछ नहीं उगा था. लैंड इरोजन हो गई थी वहाँ पर, सॉइल था ही नहीं. हमने ट्रैक्टर चलाया, ट्रैक्टर वॉज ब्रोकन. तब हमने जेसीबी मंगवाई, हमने जेसीबी से खेती करी. अब कोई किसान तो जेसीबी से खेती नहीं कर सकता. Nobody can do that. We got the JCB and we dug out all the boulders out. You go and see that video. हमने सारे boulders निकाले. कमी यही नहीं थी. अब सरकार ने दे दिया, गांव वालों को कोई नहीं समझा रहा था. गांव वालों को लग रहा था उनकी जमीन पे जो 50 साल से खाली पड़ी है उस पे अब भांग उगने वाली है. तो द होल विलेज वेंट अगेंस्ट अस. और जब विलेज जब आपके अगेंस्ट जाता है ना बॉस, उस एरिया में काम करना इज लाइक अ चैलेंज. लाइक आपको अभी लगता है कि हेम्प और कैनबस, यस हम वी वांट टू डू इट, बट जब आप किसी विलेज में जाओगे जहां एक टैबूड है, कैनबस एक ड्रग माना जाता है, द प्रॉब्लम स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम देयर. यू नो, गवर्नमेंट विल नॉट कम टू एक्सप्लेन देम कि ये आपके लिए अच्छा करने वाले हैं. सो द होल विलेज स्टूड अगेंस्ट अस. वी यूज्ड टू डू community meetings and explain them. We started hiring them to work on the field. When they started seeing that how dedicated we are, after 1 year they started supporting us. So JCB in that area used to cost us, guess, 2,000 rupees per hour. And the JCB used to run 12 hours and we dug that land for almost 3 months. That was just the JCB cost, one JCB cost. And there were 7 JCBs which were working on that field. So finally we got that land cleared, the boulders out, and then we started developing the poly house for the controlled cultivation and the open field. The water was not there. Ironically, you are not allowed to take out the river water without the government permissions. There was a river flowing next to us and we are not allowed to take the water. And we are not allowed to dig also to take out water. So how we will get the water? That was the biggest trouble. Like एक प्रॉब्लम खत्म हुई, जेसीबी से जमीन तो तैयार कर ली बॉस, इतना पैसा खर्च करके, टीम लगी रही, रात दिन लगी रही, कभी कुछ हो जाता. फिर दूसरा वहाँ पर क्रशर माफिया ने फिर अटैक किया. There were a lot of crusher mafia who used to come at that night and they used to take out stones from the river, steal it and used to take it for crusher. And when we got over there, because of the guards and the people working over, उनका crusher का काम, obviously crusher mafia had a problem कि ये अब यहाँ आ गए हैं तो how we will take out our trucks. So they started attacking and then we kept some guards and all also. Then we had a proper security वहाँ पर रखनी पड़ गई सारा उसको करने के लिए, मतलब टू सिचुएशन को संभालने के लिए. फिर हमने क्या किया, then we started, it's such a long story. मतलब डेली चैलेंजेस होते थे, डेली कुछ ना कुछ हो जाता. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं थी, गांव वाले देते नहीं थे. एक देन वी अप्लाइड फॉर अ ट्रांसफॉर्मर जिसका पता लगा कि वही उसका परमिशन ही 6 महीने के बाद आके लगेगा. सो व्हेन दैट वाज द बिगेस्ट चैलेंज. तो हमने बिजली, एक बंदे का मकान को खरीदा, लिटरली गांव में एक मकान खरीद लिया बिजली वहां से लेने के लिए. सो दैट वॉज एन एक्सपेंस. अब ये सारी स्टुपिडिटी में काउंट नहीं करूँ तो क्यों नहीं करूँगा, कोई करेगा. अब ये अगर मैं किसी को बोलूँ जो हम कर रहे हैं, वो अभी कोई करेगा, कोई नहीं करेगा यार बॉस. मतलब ये तो बहुत छोटी हैं, और भी इससे बड़ी बड़ी चीज़ें हुई थी. तो मतलब दैट वाज टाइम व्हेन हाउ वी वर्कड अराउंड इट. and we pulled it off by spending so much of money because testings हर एक को 2 बार टेस्ट करवाते थे. एक हम यहाँ श्रीराम लैब में टेस्ट करते थे, फिर उसको वैलिडेट करने के लिए सैंपल को स्पेन भेजते थे, वहाँ से वैलिडेट करते थे, फिर जो हमने कैप के साथ में उसको मॉड्यूल सेट करवाए थे उनको भेजते थे. तो वो पैरेलल मतलब और उसके पैसे भी देते थे. मतलब यूज टू पे फॉर एवरी टेस्ट. लाइक इंडिया में मतलब उस टाइम में वी वर पेइंग फॉर वन टेस्ट समवेयर अराउंड 25,000 रुपीज, और जब वो बाहर भेजते थे वो इक्वलेंट अमाउंट उसका भी देते थे. सो बहुत गलतियां, मतलब गलतियां क्या कहेंगे, इट्स रिसर्च, और उस टाइम वो करना पड़ा था, अदरवाइज वो सक्सेसफुल नहीं कर पाते हम इसको प्रोजेक्ट को. सो या मैन, द एंड फर्स्ट इज द वर्स्ट. नेवर एवर कॉपी द फर्स्ट, ऑलवेज बी द बेस्ट. एंड आगे भी जब स्टेट्स में करेंगे, we will try to not replicate the same mistakes, because our mistakes we have thick books what all mistakes were there and how we should go for newer states and how people can benefit from it. Even the farmers also, when we were given a contract that all the seeds would be given to the hilly farmers, we had a huge challenge to replicate the seeds and first give it to the farmers and not to others, you know. So it was also a challenge. Like हम पहले farmers का farmers license and farmers cultivation was the goal of the government, so we always focused on the farmers first. Not like company oriented, like companies were used to come at that time and it was very hard to explain them like how we cannot, you know, it's so hard to explain. So now things are different. Now things have gone to a level that we have enormous kind of knowledge on this after 5 years of burning cash and experience and all this thing. And those policies and those experience and those mistakes should not be repeated इन नेक्स्ट स्टेट्स. उसमें होनी नहीं चाहिए. नेक्स्ट स्टेट्स में इससे बेटर पॉलिसी होनी चाहिए, इससे ज़्यादा अच्छा होना चाहिए. और इनफैक्ट उससे उनको हम डॉक्यूमेंट्स जो हमारे पास हैं उनकी, जो आज 5 साल के बाद वो जो कैनबिस इवन लीगलाइज करने की बातें कर रही है स्टेट, जो पहले हेम्प का नहीं बना रही थी, आज वो मेडिकल कैनबिस के लिए लीगलाइज करने की बातें कर रही है. अगर वो पॉलिसी को लेके अगर हम स्टेट पे जाएं तो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट जंपिंग स्ट्रेट वे फ्रॉम हेम्प एंड गेटिंग इनटू द कैनबिस लीगलाइजेशन. सो एग्जाम्पल सेट करना बहुत जरूरी है, बिकॉज देन यू कैन शो लाइक बॉस हम ये कर चुके हैं. लाइक ये हम 5 साल नहीं 10 साल से कर रहे हैं और ये उसका रिजल्ट है, ये स्टेट ने बेनिफिट कमाया है. अगर मैं सिर्फ 15 करोड़ का ही टेबल पे रख दूं कि 15 करोड़ तो हम इस स्टेट में खर्च कर चुके हैं टू रेज दैट अवेयरनेस एंड दैट काइंड ऑफ नंबर्स फॉर योर स्टेट, एंड दैट कैन मल्टीप्लाई 200 times in your well developed states. No states can refuse it. No states can refuse this kind of offers. So guys, just a good news. I promised you this is my 9th session. 9 days back I said I'll make a forum for you. The forum is up on IIH. You can go and register it. Take it very seriously because ये जो forum है ये बहुत serious लोगों के लिए है. उसके अंदर अपने terms and condition ध्यान से पढ़ लेना. अभी initial है तो कुछ glitches हो सकते हैं. We'll keep fixing them. Keep informing us that if there is any glitch. तो आप वो सारे फोरम्स को ज्वाइन करो. उसके अंदर इंडिया का मेन हमने रखा है जिसमें इंडिया में सारे आप लोग उस पर डिस्कशन कर सकते हैं. प्लस स्टेट्स बने हुए हैं, आप अपने अपने स्टेट के हिसाब से उनमें ग्रुप्स बनाइए और उसमें आप सारे जुड़ते जाइए. वी आर लुकिंग एट क्वांटम्स. हम एक क्वांटम देख रहे हैं कि किस इंडस्ट्री का, किस स्टेट का कितना ज़्यादा जल्दी क्वांटम होता है नंबर्स में ऑफ हाउ मेनी पीपल आर गेटिंग ऑन दैट स्टेट, एंड देन वी विल टेक दैट स्टेट फर्स्ट फॉर द एक्शन. दैट्स हाउ आई एक्सप्लेन यू. वो हम उसको लेंगे, उस स्टेट को लेंगे जिस स्टेट ने भी ज़्यादा नंबर्स उस फोरम पे किए हैं. और जो हमारे टारगेट्स हैं, हम टारगेट्स बता देता हूँ. टोटल ऑल ओवर वी आर लुकिंग अराउंड 5 million. और पर स्टेट, बिगर द स्टेट लार्जर द नंबर, स्मॉलर द स्टेट सच स्मॉलर द नंबर. कुछ ऐसा एक्यूरेट अभी नंबर नहीं निकाला, बट आई एम वर्किंग ऑन इट. आई विल जस्ट सी द GDPs एंड आई हैव टू सी कि उसका कितना उसका रेवेन्यू है स्टेट का, उसके पेन पॉइंट्स क्या हैं और कितना उसका पॉपुलेशन है. उसके हिसाब से मैं एक नंबर निकाल लूंगा कि कितना उसका होना चाहिए. सो आई विल वैल्यू द होल प्रोजेक्ट एंड द नंबर ऑफ पीपल ज्वाइंड इन दैट स्टेट और कितने एक्टिव हो गए हैं. भाई द पीपल हु आर एक्टिव ओवर देयर, दे आर फ्री टू बी कीप अ कम्युनिटी रोलिंग एंड उसको कैसे आप करेंगे, हम उसको we'll keep monitoring and we will keep updating you guys like what's happening. And if you want to start community meetings and all and keep updating us, we'll keep a check on that, and that's how we will build a community. And later on we'll build a small organizations in those states, and the people who are active can be participating in those states. तो अभी पता नहीं है कितने आएंगे, कौन एक्टिव मेंबर होगा, कौन नहीं होगा. So उसके अंदर some terms and conditions are there. You have to be active for 30 days. If you're not active for 30 days, the accounts would be deleted. You cannot market, you cannot advertise on that. Coming on advertisement, like IHA is a not-for-profit organization, guys. If you have a good product, if you have a good thing which you want to validate, send it to us, and you can give ads on IHA. Now we never used to do that. हम पहले नहीं करते थे. अब हमने उसको launch किया है because we also want to raise some funds for operations and all. तो हम अब इंडस्ट्री का पैसा नहीं ले रहे हैं. पहले प्रॉब्लम ये थी कि वी वर बाउंडेड विद लॉट ऑफ इंडस्ट्री फंड्स एंड इट वाज वेरी टफ टू कीपिंग द इन्वेस्टर्स हैप्पी एंड कीपिंग द एसोसिएशन रनिंग. सो नाउ इट इज़ गॉन, बट वी आर नाउ completely solely dependent on us ourselves, and we think like the people can be more supportive on that. So guys, you can do that now if you want to give ads for your thing, and it will be help. And moreover, join the community, build the community. That's the best thing to do now. Like let's collect more people than few companies. Because few companies can try to always create a monopoly around this system, because they will want, if they will invest, they will ask something in return, and that becomes very challenging for not-for-profit organizations to run, and if it is a public dominated company, if organization and funded by public, it can be more like a cooperative rather than being a dependency on few rich individuals. So I'm just giving you an heads up, and I'm thankful to the people who helped me at that time, but I never surrendered on their ideas of jeopardizing the whole process of movements. So उसका नुकसान भी होता है और उसके फायदे भी होते हैं. So anyways, guys, that's about it. If somebody wants to come online, only question related to legalization. अगर इसके अलावा किसी ने बात करी तो आप प्लीज उसको अपने आप निकल जाना वहाँ से. I'm getting in few guys. So there is 2 guys. I'm just, if somebody wants to come now live.
Hello. Hello. Yeah, your voice is breaking. Can you tell me your name, please? I can't see you. I can see your roof. Hello. Hello.
Hi, bro.
Hello.
How are you?
Hi, bro.
How are you, sir?
Hi, good, good. Hi, Vignesh. Long time.
I met you back in
Hi, guys. Hi.
2015. These are all your fans.
We are from Hyderabad.
Oh. बढ़िया
We
बढ़िया.
are fans of you, bro.
Thank you.
I ordered your ice pots, Rohit. It's really amazing. I just got it
Thank
today.
Vignesh. Let me finish with
really big fan
the
of you, sir.
stoners party. I think you guys are enjoying.
We are in the spot of our spot.
I think you are enjoying, guys. Do you have a question? Do you have a question? Yeah. Shoot, man. Yes. Please ask me.
Sir, please legal join, sir.
Join.
This is not it's not a question. It's my request, sir. You only one man you can legal join in India, sir.
But don't you only do this? Don't also join the movement.
Sir, my wish is that I want to smoke a pass with you, sir.
Okay, guys. Thank you. Love you all. But just disconnect. I'll take some questions now. You guys enjoy yourself. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Amazing.
You
Amazing.
really, I can't expect this, sir, from you.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, guys, disconnect. I'll take more. I'll take more, guys. I'll take more
Thank
guys
you.
on live.
Okay,
Bye,
okay,
bye,
sir.
bye, bye. Yeah, hi Vignesh.
Hi Rohit, how's it going? Long time.
Where have you been, dude? In fact, in the morning, I was telling one of my friends about you. I know Vignesh. He's met me, I think, 6 years back, one of my
Yeah.
conference,
Yours was the first
and
conference
lost.
actually that I came for actually like. No,
Acha.
then after me also I've had a lot of like hardships from Bangalore and like a lot
Okay,
of things happened between me as well. But now
I know.
the wild leaf thing is going good. We're trying to make hemp affordable, so trying to do that. And
Very good,
apart from that,
very good.
actually, like, glad that you still remember me and our conversations.
Yeah.
And
I remember everybody. I remember everyone. I don't
awesome,
forget.
awesome, Rohit.
Yeah.
So coming back to the topic that you
Yeah.
did ask today about the legalization movement.
Yes.
Um,
Yes.
so I want to understand, since you know the different situations between North India and South India and how the culture is between the plant. I want to understand that if you guys have tried to approach governments in South India and I would love to connect with you. I think I messaged your previous WhatsApp number, but I don't know if you have changed it. So I actually wanted to talk to you about what has happened in Karnataka in terms of the agriculture university trying to understand what you guys were doing in Uttarakhand, and
Mhm.
basically I wanted to just give you like a slight insight about what has happened in the last 1-2 years in Karnataka, and if that data can basically like help you in any way to understand how the officials here are looking at something, because I feel Karnataka and South India is an amazing place to like grow top quality cannabis because of the
Mhm.
reason. And I would basically love to connect with you. And I've saved, I think, around 270 land races now, like all the years of collection. And
Yeah.
I want to
Okay. Very nice.
collection issues and I want to make sure that it's not wasted, because I don't think a lot of people know what to do with the seeds. And I'm sure you're the best person to speak to about using the land races and doing selective breeding and the research. So that's why I
Mhm.
wanted to like connect with you today, Rohit, and get in
Okay.
touch again.
Karnataka was not in touch, but one of my colleagues, they were in touch with Karnataka, but Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, we were quite active through
Yeah.
one of
Yes, of
the
course.
companies.
Andhra Pradesh is a very nice place where
Yeah,
you
let
can,
me finish.
grow very easily.
Let me finish. I'm
And
speaking. Just a second. I'll give you a chance. So Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, both Vizag, we visited, and Vizag, we there is a lot of land which was proposed to us, but that was with Chandrababu Naidu. Now and again the MOU was signed and everything was done in Andhra Pradesh, but because of the elections and the change of government, again this thing got pending. But this new government is also quite, Mr. Reddy is also quite promising. And this guys, I'm telling you, government does not mean any is any party does not mean anything to our project. Congress government did a policy in Uttarakhand and BJP took the banner. Kamal Nath, being a Congress person, initiated this policy, and even the BJP is discussing on that. Because the bureaucracy does not change, bureaucracy keeps the files, and whosoever is the next elected ministers, they pass on those files to them to initiate the thing further. So Telangana and Andhra Pradesh is definitely very promising and working on it, and can be activated. We can activate those links again and start that. But as far as Karnataka is concerned, definitely you can take a lead on that. Join the forum, start on Karnataka, start building teams on that.
Yeah. So,
Sorry.
it's good if you can share that link where
and
we can join and all those things. A lot of people are asking.
Dude, I thank you so much. Yes, I will. You can go on ihaindia.org site, and you can go on forum, and then on forum just fill the form, and there just everybody go through the term sheet again and again, because we have kept it very strictly. If you will abide the terms and condition, we will terminate that person's account, because it's a serious movement. It's needs to be done very seriously, very professionally, and only serious people should be active on those forums. So that forums will activate the states. Whether you are from Telangana, whether you are from Andhra Pradesh, all the states are listed over there. So India is open to chat and discuss all the things. India, we are already taking care of on the post and discussions over there. But on the state forums, we have kept it open to make your own post, make your own affairs, and keep posting on that. So you can try to build your communities and states and keep collecting more and more people from the same state. We want, because we are taking all the IDs and all on those forums, because we should know that don't want to mix that Maharashtra is going in Tamil Nadu and Tamil Nadu going in Maharashtra, or Uttarakhand is coming down here. So it has to be first collect the whole state's people under one umbrella and make that happen in that state for them. It does not mean that other state person cannot work in other state. We are talking about movement. We are talking about a legalization right now in the state. So if you are from that state, you focus on that state. That's your responsibility. Nothing to do with business. Business all over India, then you can do from anywhere. So
Correct,
movement
correct.
and legalization will happen only with that state people. If you are from Karnataka, you know the local language. If you are from Andhra Pradesh, you know the local language. You can handle those guys very efficiently, and we will keep a check on that. We'll keep sending you something or the other, keep sharing that knowledge with us, and then we can have group community meetings, weekly. Oh, my battery, yeah. So, Vignesh, any other question? I'll take some other guy also.
I just wanted to, I'm going to send you a personal message on Instagram, maybe to connect with you on another level, and basically
Okay.
to share data and share whatever has happened, so that we can keep sharing in a better space. I am going to register on the forum as well, but I would like to have a personal connect with you as well.
Sure. Thank you so much. I'm
Yes,
happy to connect you again.
It's something that I think I can't. There are no words with the quality of the product. It's too insane. Thank you, Rohit.
Yes, thank you. Bye.
Cheers.
Yes, hi, my friend on who was waiting just yeah, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Piyush. My name is Piyush. I'm from Delhi.
Hi, Piyush.
Regarding the legalization session you just had, so after the post-COVID, every state it's down the revenue, the whole country. And since you mentioned there were very mistakes, the policies were too much of too good, अच्छे से ज़्यादा बुरा ही था. So अभी इस time पे सारे states they would be making policies to get some extra revenue. And in Manipur they are talking, and Himachal में सब ये बातें चल रही है. I don't know how much it's true, but I guess you are connected to all the states and who are moving on.
Yeah, you're from
Rajasthan में edibles.
you're from Delhi, or you're from some other state and living in Delhi?
I'm born and raised in Delhi.
Okay.
I do have a house in Assam.
Assam, yeah, because so Assam is also very active. Manipur, I have worked. Manipur already had few meetings and was promising. The only issue is our constraint was we were in Uttarakhand, but if there is Manipur people and Northeast people, we have a very good connect over there, and we can activate that. And as you said, the COVID situation and all, yes, that's the point. We are sitting at home. At least the paper, the drafting of these forums and making a community bigger. As soon as the lockdown happened, we finish this part at least to join hands of everybody on one platforms, and then once the lockdown is happened, at least our army is ready to attack on those states.
Yeah, we can get larger. The community can get larger.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
I tried to send you a mail on info. I couldn't find your particular mail address, rohit@iiha.org. It was regarding community media channel only. So I was trying to connect to you regarding that. So I send it on the info @iiha. If you could please look at it. And
yes, I'll do that. I'll do that. Otherwise, you can send me on a comment don't DM me. Just send me a comment on any of my posts, and I definitely will answer that. Okay. Thank you.
okay,
Bye. Bye. Yeah. Hi. I didn't got your name.
This side,
Hi,
Nilesh.
Nilesh.
This side. Sir, my question was you were going to make a form or something for
Yeah,
all
I
the
just
volunteers
completed
in
it. I just completed it. You can go on the forum is ready. So there might be some glitches because it's just new, but the form you can fill and at least enroll in that. And you can go right now also. You can just start coming on the forum now. Okay? Yeah, okay. Bye. Okay, I will take two more questions. Bye, man. Thank you. Are you also working on improvement of the hemp? Very good question. I don't know. if I'm improving hemp or not. Hi, Ben.
Hi Rohit, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Your name?
Yes, I'm Bhavik. I'm from Pune actually,
Okay.
and I'm currently in Himachal. So,
Okay.
sticking to the topic with legalization, I wanted to understand what is the current state of legalization in Himachal and what can we do over here?
I just had a word with the advisor to CM yesterday, in fact, and the policy is still on the table of the chief minister. Chief minister is little hesitant about it, but the answer is the bureaucrats are very positive about it and they are pushing. So as soon as the lockdown happens, I have a visit in Shimla. And the only glitch they have is like they want some work profile of how we are doing in Uttarakhand. So we will submit that, and most likely it will happen. I think Uttarakhand and Himachal goes hand in hand. It's like it's on the state. It's just the government is a little jittery, like how to start it, and that was the issue with Uttarakhand also. So we will tell them how to. And let's see how it happens. Like I don't know how much time that will take because that's not. I'm not like a god. Like I can just dictate on
Yeah.
time. But yeah,
But do you think will it be able to? Will they be able to do it in this year itself, in 2021? Or like, what are they targeting?
It was supposed to happen like 5 years back. So
Yeah.
if you ask
And
me
how
like
about
when,
Maharashtra? So I'm basically from Maharashtra. Yeah, sorry
yeah,
to cut you.
no,
So
no,
I'm
no, no, no.
basically from Maharashtra. So and how about the state response from Maharashtra?
I haven't touched Maharashtra actually, to be honest. I think Maharashtra is quite promising if it happens. But I think it should be more of there's what do you call a joint community of that Maharashtrian people should start that. That's why the forums will help in building a state communities. There is there is one movement which is an India movement. Okay, that why don't we do small movements? If we do attack states and states and states like US did. Okay, let's take examples like other countries are doing. So what's going to happen because it's a state jurisdiction subject, and lot of things state can take an action. We don't have to approach the center to get it done. So it's a waste of time to write a letter to a prime minister and asking him because he will say like I don't have time for this because state has a power. If state wants to do it, they will do it. Like OPM can be. Any state can use that opium policy and can be implemented. अब काफी स्टेट है कोई लिकर को गुजरात अलाउ नहीं करता इसका मतलब ये थोड़ी ना बाकी स्टेट में नहीं बिक्री तो कैनेबल को कुछ स्टेट अलाउ करेंगी कुछ नहीं करेंगी आज करेंगी नहीं बाद में करेंगी अब जब उसके आसपास 6 स्टेट्स काम कर रही हैं और बेनिफिट कर रही हैं और लोग उसके ग्राउंड काम कर रहे हैं तो वो कहाँ जाएंगे वो आज नहीं करेंगे परसों कर देंगे
Yeah, and then there's this drought area of Latur and the Vidarbh area of Maharashtra, which could also benefit from hemp farming. I mean, the soil could benefit the water condition and all of it.
Exactly. So I'll take another guy, Ben. I think I answered your question. If you disconnect, then I'll turn to you. Your dude with the cap.
Right, thank you so much.
Hi, thank you. Hi. Yeah, yes. Hello? Can you hear me?
I think his video is glitching, Rohit. Like his network is bad, I guess.
Okay. Dude, we can't hear you, or you have a signal problem. Can you disconnect? I'll connect you.
I was on. And Rohit, I actually came to just say that you should be on this app for Clubhouse. We're hosting some amazing cannabis and discussion rooms, and I think you would be amazing to just be there and like talk to people.
Where?
On Clubhouse, there's this audio interface app.
I've been hearing about Clubhouse. I saw it sounds like a radio to me. I prefer first. I'm a conference guy who goes in public and speak on stage and I like meeting people in real. It was a challenge for me to come. This virtual thing trained me for 1 year not speaking in public and now getting connected through. Got a chance like okay, somehow I started this Instagram. Now you guys want to come to some platform which I don't see people, but somebody is talking somewhere. How will I show things? If I don't see people, if I can't show anything, talkers can go on that. I can't do it. Sorry.
True.
Bye.
Awesome.
You do,
But
you
but
do it.
but I have sent you a message on Instagram, so would love to connect with you and get back to you.
Ankit asked me to join Clubhouse. I joined just for the community, 2 forums for IIHA. And if people wants to connect from that and make something over there. So you are the new generation, guys. Yeah, you do it, man. You don't need me for everything. Yeah. Okay.
Awesome.
Yeah. Oh, thank you.
Hey, man. Hey, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna go just last, buddy. I'm waiting for you. I can't hear you. Yes, you. Disconnect कर देना यार.
I'm disconnecting. Yes.
Hi.
Hi.
Yeah, with the cap. With the cap, I want to finish. Like I
Can
can't
you hear me now?
been waiting for long.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you. Tell me.
Yeah, man. So my main question is, are we only focusing on like CBD, like CBD industry, or like what you are saying, like only hemp plants? Is it not going to be TH? Like, what's the scene? What's the
Dude, you're
deal?
so stoned. Seriously. Listen, hear properly. Hemp and medical cannabis. CBD, I'm not talking about CBD, okay? I'm not talking about CBD, or I'm not talking about THC. I'm talking about hemp or a complete cannabis plant legalization over here. So it will include your CBD, CBG, CBD, N,
All
CBC, CBDV,
cannabinoids. So it's not
all the compounds you know plant.
limited to
So,
CBD.
so that if that's your question, that's my answer.
Okay, then perfect. That was it then.
Okay?
Just thank you, man.
Thank you. Okay, man. Yes, hi. Please, your name. I'm sorry, I forgot. I just connected you so quickly.
Tejas Vasankar.
Yeah, that's okay.
Okay. You are?
Okay.
Mrunal.
Mrunal.
Yes, Mrunal.
So I had 2 questions. I had one suggestion, and also I was going through IHA site, so we cannot see terms and conditions. Okay, so that I thought I could get.
I think in the down, when you have to click and you have to go and.
So when I click on the link, it's at the bottom. It shows directs to an HTML page where there's no terms and conditions.
Fix it. If it's not fixed today, only they launched it, so there might be some glitches. But put the form on and definitely go through the terms and conditions. I'm saying why again and again, because it's a very strict policies we will. Because if there is any advertisement, any false language, any kind of these kind of thing will happen over there, and no constructive thing, a lot of destruction is happening. That person will be barred, and we will not introduce them again. So you can do that and try to do it again. I'll take this and I'll just update, and once I'm finished with this, and I'll check with my guy if he has fixed it. Any other question related to legalization?
No.
If you have,
no.
Good. Thank you. Okay, bye. Yeah, Garvit.
Hi, I can't hear you. Hello.
My friend, can you disconnect with the cap so that I can get other guy in? Hello?
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, please disconnect.
Yes. Okay.
Thank you. Bye. Nice talking to you.
Bye.
Yeah, Garvit. Last guy.
Hi, the volume is really less. I don't know how. But my question is regarding hemp, industrial hemp particularly. I just wanted to know, because I've been not able to get this information right. What is the legal status and policy around growing hemp with a 0.3% THC?
Can you repeat, Garvit? You're breaking in between.
What is the policy regarding growing hemp, industrial hemp with 0.3% THC? What is the policy around India, all over India, regarding that particularly?
Yeah, go and check, Garvit. The best would be go and check. As I said earlier, go read the NDPS Acts. Buy that book if you don't have it, and go and read the Section 8s and all on the cannabis. You will get the answer. 0.3 is primarily, they have mentioned it for fiber and the seeds. Okay, so that if I don't know if that is your question, I'm actually not getting your question properly.
I think I'll get in touch in other medium. I'm not able to hear anything. That is
So I'm going to disconnect now. This session has gone quite long. So dude,
it is.
Just comment on, if somebody has any questions, just comment on my video and I'll definitely DM me. I'm not checking DMs often. So just comment on that, and just join the forums. I'm repeating again, the IHA forums on India, and then select your state and start your community building over there. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye.